Hey people, welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare tomato upma. Firstly, switch on stove, place kadai, add 2 tablespoons oil, some mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, chopped chilies, add some curry leaves, chopped tomatoes and give it a good mix. Now add some salt and let's wait until tomatoes get fried. Tomatoes are fried well. You can check by smashing it. Now add 3 cups of water and mix it well. Check taste once. Add salt as per taste and give it a good mix. Let's wait until water get boiled. Once water is boiled, add rava to it and mix it simultaneously. We should mix up to this consistency. Now upma is ready. Let's garnish with coriander leaves and grated coconut. Transfer this into a bowl and garnish with coriander leaves and grated coconut. Upma is ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thank you for watching.